Can you see this? It looks like a skull. If I can hold it still enough, it's a spider. And call it the death head spider or the zombie spider or something. It looks like a skull right there. Sitting in the middle of its web. Sorry about the shaking. I've got a phone camera, and